Many highly anticipated witnesses spoke in trial today, including 2 DNA analysts who described their work in this case. One of those analysts shared that there is a strong likelihood that Armstrong's DNA matches the DNA tested from victim Anna Mariah or Mo Wilson's bike seat and a gun, which a different expert identified as the weapon that he believes fired the fatal shots. 2 people were called to talk about DNA on day 8 of Kaitlin Armstrong's murder trial. One of them, Samantha Perkins, is the DNA analyst who worked on this case. She says she was working with 8 different swabbed areas and comparing them with saliva samples from Armstrong, Anna Mariah Wilson, Colin Strickland, and Wilson's friend Caitlin Cash. One swab was taken from Wilson's bike seat. Perkins read her report to jurors, which says the DNA collected is 224 billion times more likely to have come from Wilson, Armstrong, and 1 unknown individual, compared to Wilson and 2 unknown individuals. A swab taken from the firearm grip and trigger was also discussed. Perkins says the findings showed a much higher likelihood to have come from Armstrong and 2 unknown people than anyone else. Strickland is another possible contributor to that profile. A previous witness with the Travis County Medical Examiner's Office told the court today that Wilson's death was caused by gunshot wounds. The defense spent time going over how DNA is transferred and whether any other people gave samples for comparison. Perkins says she was only instructed to compare the 4 samples. Photos taken during Wilson's autopsy were also shown to jurors today, specifically photos showing the entry and exit wounds from the bullet. Those images were hard to see, and majority of Wilson's friends and family stepped out of the courtroom at that time. The court resumes tomorrow morning. Jessica Taylor, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.